Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Thanks for stopping to my channel. What you're looking at is a 2014 Stingray 3LT. Just turned 20,000 miles. I did a couple walk around videos earlier in the week or last week with no narration, so I thought I would go around and kind of point out the accessories I put on my car. We'll start in the front. You can see I replaced the stock grill with a Z06 grill. I didn't like the looks of the metal band going across the front of the original. It looked like a retainer on braces or something. That's probably the hardest accessory I did to install. You got to peel off the front bumper to mount the grill. Below the grill, you can see I got a stage 2 splitter. Got side winglets on it, and also on the bottom I installed some slip low scrape guards just to keep from banging it up. On some steeper inclines, if you don't take the right angle, you're going to scrape some stuff up. All right, going around the car, you can see side marker lights. Replace those with smoke LEDs. There's probably at least 15 LED lights in there instead of just the one with the reflector. While we're standing here at the tire, these are brand new Pilot Sport all season run flats. Very nice tire. I had summer onlys on here before, and when it was 40 degrees or lower, they would just spin like crazy, not get any good grip at all until they heated up some. Behind the tire, you can see I've got the Mud Guards, ACS Mud Guards. I didn't like the fact that the car come without any kind of protection going along the side, so these really protect the side of the car. Nothing done to the engine yet. Looking to get a AA Pro Charger on there. I got the under hood medallion. It's metal, painted metal, piece of cake to install. Take the hood liner down, put some nuts and bolts in it, put it back up, no problem at all. You can see you got side skirts. Everything's carbon flash metallic on here. Then on the inside, you can see I've got the Escort 360 radar detector with mirror mount, and the power cord tied into the power going to the mirror. That's also a piece of cake to do. I've got the Pro clips, C7 phone mount, and I've got the Jake cover that goes over the screen button. So if you don't know there's a screen button there, you won't know afterwards either. And put the shelf in the little cubby hole in the back. That shelf creates a lot more room. Walking around the back, oh, I got the scratch protectors put inside the door cubbies, so if you got rings or something on there, you're not going to scratch the paint. Also, I put the door dogs on from San Diego Design. Very nice product. Fits, looks good. You don't have to touch the paint anymore to close your door. Push on the door dog, there you go, and it's a nice fit, clean, flush look. Looks very good. Moving around back, got mud guards on the back also, ACS mud guards. Got smoked side markers. Replaced stock floor mats. I went with the Stingray emblem floor mats. Also, there's a trunk mat. It's Stingray also. These are made by Lloyd's. Very high quality. Along the back, Put the rear diffusers on. Nice touch. I don't think it does anything for it, actually, just I just think it looks a little better. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any questions about installation, leave a question in the comment and I'll try to get back to it. So have a nice day. Thanks.